Hello, welcome. My name is Autumn, and today we're going to read The Greedy Python. If you have this book, go grab it so you can read with us. Half hidden in the jungle green, the biggest snake there's ever been, wound back and forth and in between. The giant snake was very strong and very, very, very long. He had a monstrous appetite. His stomach stretched from left to right. He quickly gobbled in one bite whatever creatures came in sight. A mouse that scampered to and fro, a frog that jumped up from below, a bat that hung from his left toe, a fish that swam but a bit too slow, a bird that flew a bit too low, a porcupine still half asleep, a monkey who was in mid-leap, a leopard sitting in a tree, a buffalo who came to see, an elephant with complete with trunk who was swallowed in a single chunk. "I'm far too big to eat," he cried. "Oh, you're not," the snake replied. At last, the python's meal was done, and he lay rested in the sun. The animals inside his skin were making quite a dreadful din. And one day, all began to kick. The snake began to feel quite sick. He coughed the whole lot up again, each one of them, and there were 10. He soon felt better, and what's more, he was hungrier than just before. He hadn't learned just a single thing. His greed was quite astonishing. He saw his own tail, long and curved, and thought that lunch was being served. He closed his jaws on his own meal. Here, he swallowed hard and disappeared. The end. Don't forget to please like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.